How to enable double tap screen on and off feature on Android device. And on this video we will see how we can enable double tap screen to on and off feature in your Android device. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So first of all, open up the settings in your device. Once you're here, scroll down a bit, then tap on display. Again, tap on lock screen. Scroll down a bit, there is an option that says double click on the lock screen. Here, double click on the blank area of the desktop to turn off the screen and lock the device. So to enable the double tap to turn off screen, you have to toggle this button. Once you have toggled this up, this will allow you to double tap on the screen to turn the screen off. Now, in order to enable the double tap to wake up the screen, you have to go back, and under your settings you have to go to smart controls, and there is a smart wake toggle. So you have to turn it on this as well in order to enable the double tap to wake up your screen. Here it says pick up the device and double click whenever on the screen to wake it. So once you have saved these two settings in your device, you have enabled the double tap screen on and off feature in your Android. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.